In this class we are going to learn the fourth Arabic alphabet, Thaa, Jim, Ha, and Khaa. Note the four forms of Thaa. For example, Thalab. The word Thalab means fox in Arabic. Breakdown of the word Thaa. The first letter, pronounced like th in think. In, a deep, throaty sound. Lam, pronounced like L in lamb. Ba, pronounced like B in bat. Next letter is Jim. Isolated. These are the four forms of Jim: initial, medial and final. For the example, the word Jamal means camel in Arabic. Breakdown of the word: Jim, pronounced like J in jam. Mem, pronounced like M in mother. Lamb, pronounced like L in lamb. Coming word is Ha. Note the four forms of Ha. For example, the word Hisan means horse in Arabic. Breakdown of the word: Ha, a deep H sound. Sad, a heavier S sound. Ain, pronounced as A in this context. Let us learn one more letter, Khaa. Note down the forms: isolated, initial, medial and final. Example: khubz means bread in Arabic. If we split the word, khubz will be the first letter Khaa, pronounced like CH. Ba, pronounced like B in bat. And Ze, pronounced like Z in zebra. Thanks for watching. Wait for fourth episode.